Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. On this occasion, I will trade on the Pocket Option platform. I will start with $400 and each transaction will last for 1 minute. I will use Turbo Trend software as an analysis tool. Next, I will choose a market to trade. Next, I will choose the Pocket Option broker according to the one I am currently using. I will choose a signal duration of 1 minute to match the trading duration I use. Here I follow the signal and open a sell position. This tool is very helpful in making trading decisions. You can download it directly via the link in the description, try it yourself and feel the benefits. Okay guys, my first trade was profitable. This is a very good start to the session. And now I will move on to the next trade. So stay tuned so you can see for yourself whether this tool really works well or not. In this second trade, I chose to open a sell position again. Why? Because the signal from Turbo Trend, again, shows the potential for a price decrease in a short period of time. Yes, we are in profit again. Now, let's move on to the next trades.